The following question states that which element is less reactive than the other members of its group in the periodic table. So the first element that's given is astatine. So let's open the periodic table. So I'm showing group 7 now. You have fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. Remember, in group 7, the reactivity decreases down the group. Astatine is a big atom. It's a non-metal. All group 7 elements, when they want to react, they need to gain electrons. So if you're a very big atom, it's very hard to actually gain electron because the nucleus is surrounded by a lot of electrons. Fluorine is a very small atom. It's very easy for it to gain electrons. Its nucleus is not that surrounded, and it would be easy for it to gain electrons. So astatine is right at the bottom, so it's the least reactive of all the elements in group 7. So which element is less reactive than the other members of its group? That would be astatine. Astatine, that's a correct option because astatine would be the least reactive of all the elements. So astatine is correct. Fluorine is incorrect because fluorine is the most reactive of its group. Let's also look for caesium and rubidium. Now here are the group 1 metals that are shown. Now for metals, because they need to lose electrons, it's actually the bigger atoms that are the more reactive ones that easily lose electrons. So reactivity in metals, it tends to increase down the group. So lower down, the metals become more reactive. So you have rubidium and caesium. The least reactive one would be lithium. So that's not given in the option. It's caesium and rubidium that's given there somewhere in the middle. So that would not be correct. We were looking for the least reactive than the other members. So it's going to be astatine. That would be your correct answer for this question.